So, for your Hinge question today, the question says, is it true or false? If each square represents 2 centimetres squared, this shape has an approximate area of 11 centimetres squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to find out. Now, finding the area of an irregular shape, I'm going to first of all count up the whole squares that I can see. So I've got 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 holes. So I need to remember each square represents 2 centimetres squared. So those 6 holes would be 12 centimetres squared. Then I'd count up the squares that I've got over half of, or that I can make more than half looking like. So I've got that one and that one can go together. There's 1, that one and that one, 2. Let's say that one and that one would be 3. That one and that one would be 4. So that's another 8 centimetres squared. And then looking around, I've got half here. So 8.5. Or if it was half the square, it would then be 9, actually, wouldn't it? They'd be 1 square, so that'd be 10, 11.5. Because if I've got 11.5, I'll count that one as well. So actually, in total, with my 12 centimetres and my 11 centimetres, I get 23 centimetres squared. Now, the reason why these are tricky is because my answer might be different to your answer. Your answer might be higher and might be lower. You need to use your best judgment. So if I've said 23 and you've put 22 or 22.5, I'm fine with that. It's okay because you've got it roughly. It's estimating. The most important thing is that this shape can be nowhere near 11 centimetres squared. If you get 11 centimetres squared, then you've forgotten that each square is worth 2 centimetres squared. It can be nowhere near 11 centimetres squared because if each squared is 2, you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And you've still got all the extra squares to go. Okay? So just use your best judgment, okay? Be fair to yourselves. You can have a go at your independent activities now. Have a go, do your best. Okay, this is quite tricky to get your head around. So if you're struggling with it, that's absolutely fine. Have a good day.